In Ottawa today. Among the companies here, 800 startups looking to advance their ideas and return Canada and its capital to the heyday of tech. Dave Tilsley, co-founder of Sass North, Canada's largest software technology conference begins in Ottawa today. Among the companies here, 800 startups looking to advance their ideas and return Canada and its capital to the heyday of tech. Dave Tilsley, co-founder of Sass North, joins us now along with Sonia Shorey, the president and CEO of Invest Ottawa. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is really exciting stuff because, Sonia, you're the president of Invest Ottawa. Always, the mission here is to advance these companies, these tech companies. Let's talk about what's happening.
So Sass North has really put Ottawa on the map in terms of software technology. Our startups and scale-ups, we have so many that are now accelerating their growth, $100 million companies. Of course, this conference really, Shopify played an absolutely critical role in terms of becoming that magnet and demonstrating that Ottawa could build powerful software companies. Now we have companies like Fullscript, Ascent, Solus. There's a whole stack of incredible startups and scale-ups coming up behind them. This conference allows those founders and their teams to learn from the best. We bring all kinds of investors, many other founders and companies, prospective customers, talent, lots of funding opportunities. Deals get done at this conference for Ottawa founders. It's amazing.
Yeah. Dave, talk about Sass North and the conference itself.
Well, we're in our 9th year, almost 2,000 people coming to Ottawa. Interestingly, about 75% are not from Ottawa or Canada. They're out of town. Which is, again, great for the ecosystem, great for bringing new ideas into the market. A lot of them are investors, venture capital, other types of investors, and they're coming here because, frankly, the conference has a reputation for really, really high quality startups and scale-ups.
Why was it important to keep the conference right here in Ottawa, not, say, move it to Toronto or Montreal?
Great question.
We're a global tech hub.
Yeah, well, Sonia's like, of course, Ottawa.
This is the only place for it.
As a producer, I came in with a pretty open mind, but we made a bet on Ottawa early on because of a partner of ours, LSpark, which is an accelerator based out of Ottawa. They convinced us that Ottawa was the home, should be the home, and 9 years in, we couldn't be happier with the grassroots support we've had since the beginning.
And can you talk about your work with Invest Ottawa, Sonia, and how it's going and how it's building and how, whether or not you're getting even more and more occupied, which is lifting up these tech companies?
Honestly, the number of founders that are starting businesses here is incredible. We see a tremendous momentum across Canada. We're seeing a drop in the number of people that are starting businesses. Is the absolute opposite here. And software, there are 560 some companies in software in our region, and so many of those founders tackling big challenges, really generating a lot of investment. We also just launched our Bootstrappers campaign, which means companies that don't take money right away. That's one of our differentiators. There's a ton of bootstrappers that are going to be there today. And so the opportunity to bring them all together. We have a pavilion full of Ottawa companies that Invest Ottawa assembles together with our post-secondaries, right? Really looking to broker those new relationships, get Ottawa on the map, help to get the word out globally, and bring lots of business to our region.
Okay, what's this doohickey all about here?
This is Ray. Ray is going to be at Sass North today. Ray is by a local company, Hygienics AI, that has created, not only did they build, design, and manufacture this in Ottawa, but they are, going to be a very big story in the future. This robot can clean an OR or an ICU in 6 minutes instead of 2 hours. So it's completely autonomous. Drop it in an ICU or an OR, it learns the room, and it can clean an OR and disinfect it in just a few minutes, like 6 minutes, as I was told. So this is an example of a hardware product, a hardware company that became a software company over time as well. So that's what they're talking about at the conference today with Ray.
Ray, that's incredible. That's not a small feat there to clean an OR, right? You're talking about like a heavy cleaning, disinfecting as well.
Yeah.
Designed in Ottawa.
Another story of like the amazing things that are going on here in Ottawa, but also just generally in Canada. The software that's running business, running industry, the consumers, the viewers will know Simple and Shopify, but there's also a million other companies out there that are solving great problems in business. For example, if you go to the chiropractor, if you go to the massage therapist, you're probably using software called Jane Software. You may not realize it when you book your appointment with your massage therapist. That's a $100 million Canadian company out of Vancouver. And they come to Sass North, they speak at Sass North, they'll be there today. And some of the other fastest growing companies in Canada from the recently ranked fastest companies in Canada are there today. So.
And they bring their business to Ottawa. So one of the things I love most, and really we tackle this with Ottawa Tourism, the Shaw Centre, I Think Ottawa campaign, bringing these conferences, huge economic lift for our region, hotels, restaurants. This city is booming. The downtown core is full of all kinds of vitality and life and all kinds of founders. Mixing and mingling with investors all through our city. It's amazing.
Sass North, the tech conference begins today. Have to thank you, Sonia Shorey, President of Invest Ottawa, and thank you so much, Dave, for coming by, bringing in Ray from Sass with Sass North. We
SassNorth.com for the viewers. SassNorth.com. SassNorth.com
if you want more information. Thank you to you both.
Thank you.